Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use teamwork.com for document version control. This is your full, up-to-date guide for 2025. First off, log into your teamwork.com account. If you don't have one, signing up is quick and easy. This step is key because it gets you into the platform where all the magic happens. Once you're in, navigate to the Documents section. Here, you'll find all your documents neatly organized, and this is where we'll be doing most of our work today. Now, let's say you have a document that's been through several revisions and you want to keep track of these changes. Here's how it's done. Click on the document title, and this will open the Document Details page. Right there, you'll see the Versions tab. Now, this is important because it's where you can see all the versions of your document and who made the changes. Next up, to add a new version of the document, click on Upload a new version. You'll be prompted to select the new document from your files. This helps us because it allows us to keep all versions of the document in one place, making it easier to track changes and revert to previous versions if necessary. Finally, you'll notice that every time you upload a new version, Teamwork.com automatically assigns it a version number. Let me explain why this matters. This automatic numbering system helps you to quickly identify the most recent version of the document, saving you time and confusion. Now that we've done that, it's clear to see how Teamwork.com can effectively manage document version control. The reason we do this is to keep our work organized and streamlined, ensuring everyone is always working on the latest version of a document. And that's it. With these simple steps, you're now able to use Teamwork.com for document version control. Remember, staying organized and keeping track of your document revisions can save you a lot of stress in the long run. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next guide.